Hey guys, today let's learn how to use generative fill on Adobe Photoshop. So if you guys are wondering how to use the generative fill, which is a new feature on Photoshop beta, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So guys, this is pretty easy actually, as long as you have the latest version of Photoshop. Basically, Photoshop does roll out new versions yearly, so if you are on a subscription on Adobe's Creative Cloud, of course you will have the latest versions of Photoshop, but again, this won't work on older versions of Photoshop. You do need to have the beta version, which is the newest version of Photoshop. Now, once you're already on your latest version of Photoshop, what I'd like you guys to do is to go ahead and just use the rectangular marquee tool and just go ahead and highlight or select a specific part of the photo that you'd like to go ahead and add something on there. Basically, what generative fill is it's going to allow you to fill in onto that specific part of the photo whatever prompt or whatever you'd like onto that specific part. So in order for us to use this, all we need to do is to highlight a specific part of the photo, and then a generative fill or a box will appear over here onto the bottom, allowing you to use the new generative fill option. Now, as you would notice, I don't really have that option showing on my screens right now since I am using an older version of Adobe Photoshop. But for those beta versions and newer versions of Photoshop, you will have that option right here. But if you can't see it, it's going to be located onto your Windows tab. Now tap on the option to access that right here onto the bottom, and you could go ahead and access that real quick. Now, once that is done, just go ahead and enter your prompt, wait for it to load and process, and you're going to have your final photo. So it's that easy, guys. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.